Hey guys, welcome to another math video. So for this video, I'll be talking about exponential functions. Okay, so this is what we'll be doing. I don't have any examples for this video, so we're actually just going to look at what an exponential function looks like and their graphs, so you can kind of get familiar with them. Okay, so this is the basic form of the exponential function. You'll see them either as y equals b to the x or f of x equals b to the x, where b is your rational or natural number, and x is in the exponent. Okay, so let's take a look at a couple of graphs so you can get familiar with the basic look of the exponential function. Okay, so this one here on the left, this is when b, if you remember b is a natural number, so it goes in this direction here. And this graph here is when b is a rational number, so like a fraction. Okay, so it comes down this way. And it's important to note that the basic graph for exponential functions never cross the x-axis, even though it looks like it's about to touch. It actually doesn't touch, because the higher your exponent, like in this case, the smaller the fraction. So it gets so small and it gets close to 0, but it doesn't actually touch the x-axis. It doesn't hit 0. It just gets so small that it looks like it does. Same thing on this one. The x values here, the smaller it gets, the smaller your overall value. So it's kind of like this side, the bigger x gets, the smaller this value. This side here, the smaller x gets, the smaller this value also. And it's the same on this side, where it gets really small, that it looks like it's getting to 0, but it doesn't cross the x-axis. It doesn't touch the x-axis either. So the x-axis is going to be your horizontal asymptote. Now, unless you have vertical translations, then, whatever your translation is, that will be your asymptote. So, for example, if this was a +1 here, your asymptote would be y equals 1, because then this entire graph would be shifted up 1 unit, and it wouldn't cross y equals 1. Okay? Okay, so that's pretty much it for this this video. It's pretty short. I just wanted to introduce you to what exponential functions look like and what the graphs look like. Alright guys, so if you got any questions, leave them down in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Otherwise, thanks for tuning in, and I will see you next time.